Hello everyone, I am your health specialist Israel Michael Navende, and I am here to talk about serious topic that will be helpful to us at the end of the day. I hope you are doing well and you'll be able to listen to this wonderful message that will be of great impact to you, your families and communities. In preparation, took several hours to develop and come up with this kind of message that will benefit at least all of us listening here. Yours is to spread the rest of the message to all your neighbors who may not have had a chance to read or hear this message. Clean Hands Count. Clean Hands Count is a campaign program planned and implemented to address children's more, especially those in the villages of Mbale and the related districts around, to help teach children around to they often clean their hands after visiting latrine, toilets, and from the playground, even before touching anything they are eating. Germs and viruses are a major cause of mortality worldwide. With most deaths occurring in low-income countries, the World Health Organization has the most 5 moments for clean hands hygiene. It is a poster used to reduce hospital-acquired virus infections, but there is no similar tool to prevent community-acquired virus infections in low-resource settings. This assessment, therefore, is part of the Clean Hands Count campaign. Study evaluated an acceptability of the children's moments to clean their hands in the home poster. This is an educational tool which is aimed at reducing or reminding parents in rural areas of Uganda, especially in Bali, to prevent germs and virus infections. Most parents reported that they understood the message in the poster and that they could adhere to the moments from the poster. Most participants also used the information from the poster to encourage other caregivers to help the alcohol-based hand rub after explaining to them they liked it. Other potential moments for clean hands count hygiene were introduced by participants, such as after tending to domestic animals and gardening, visiting latrines or toilets, coughing or touching surfaces. Hand count campaign is one of the most effective actions you can take to reduce the spread of pathogens and prevent infections from germs, including now the COVID-19 infection, said Janet Nakwas, Community Health Officer in Bwalasi Dispensary 3. Community members can play a critical role in fighting germs and infections by adapting to frequent hygiene or hand wash as part of their day-to-day practices. Clean Hands Count campaign is currently in 46 villages in Bala and Sonko, addressing the issue of hygiene, physical environment, sanitation, and other virus-caused diseases. Clean Hands Count campaign works with villages to design and improve communities so people can more easily live in a clean environment. Also, Clean Hands campaign program is working to create places that can provide safe, accessible ways to be cleaner through hand hygiene. Join us now in cleaning our hands and stop the spread of germs and viruses to our families and friends. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. Hope it was helpful to you and to your family and friends. For more information, remember about this hand hygiene campaign, including ways to get and stay alert, visit our page www.communication.co.ug. Clean Hands Count campaign. You can learn more about Clean Hand campaign efforts to promote clean hand by visiting the page of Ministry of Health site. Thank you for listening again.